Today, we're diving into a really practical WordPress security skill: how to block and unblock IP addresses using the Wordfence plugin right from your WordPress dashboard. Whether you're looking to keep your site safer from suspicious visitors, clean up unwanted traffic, or just manage access more strategically, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to control who can reach your site, all without any technical headaches. Let's get started with blocking an IP address. There are actually two straightforward methods, so you get to pick whichever fits your workflow best. First up is manual blocking. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin panel. I always recommend bookmarking your login page. It saves time in the long run, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once inside, look over to your left-hand menu and click on Wordfence, then choose Firewall. You'll land on the Firewall page. At the very top, you'll see a tab labeled Blocking. That's where all the action happens. Give it a click. Now, under the Block Type dropdown, make sure IP address is selected. This helps you target just the user or range of users you need. In the big text field, pop in the IP address you want to block. If it's a single IP, just copy and paste it. If you're dealing with a range, like blocking a troublemaker who uses several addresses, type it in series using the provided format you'll see as an example. Here's a helpful tip: there's an optional block reason field. I highly recommend filling this in. It may seem small, but inevitably months down the line you might forget why you blocked a particular IP. Adding a brief note like spam comments or brute force attempt makes future management so much easier. Once you're ready, click the block button, and that's it. The IP is instantly and permanently blocked. No waiting and no need to refresh. Wordfence handles the rest. The second method is perfect for when you're actively monitoring site traffic. Head to Wordfence Live Traffic. Here, Wordfence shows you real-time logs. Think of it as your security camera feed for website activity. If you spot something suspicious, say a single IP making repeated failed login attempts, it's easy to act. In the author column, you'll find the IP addresses. Just hover over the log entry you're concerned about and you'll see a Block IP button appear. Click it, and Wordfence will set up a temporary block right away. But maybe you'll want to make these blocks permanent later. Just revisit the blocking page, find the entry, and hit the Make Permanent button beside that IP. Easy as that. Now let's talk about unblocking. Maybe you block someone by mistake, or you've reevaluated the need for a block. Here, how to do it safely. Start by logging into your admin panel again. Go straight to Wordfence Firewall and click on the Blocking tab at the top. You'll see your full list of currently blocked IPs, complete with the reasons for their blocks. If your list is long, don't worry. There's a handy filter field that lets you quickly search for the address you want. Find your target IP in the Current Blocks section and select the checkbox for that rule. Double-check that it's the correct IP here, where those block reason notes are super useful. When you're sure, just click the Unblock button. The IP is immediately released and can interact with your site as normal. No downtime, no fuss. And that's the entire process. Wordfence puts powerful security tools at your fingertips, and with these steps, you can respond quickly and confidently to any traffic issues on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, need troubleshooting tips, or want to share your own Wordfence experiences. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.